Crypto traders are crying right now. The market is terrible, back-to-back losses, and we arbitrage trader are smiling because we are making profit on a daily basis. You can see the market is very terrible, but regardless of how bad or how good the market is, arbitrage traders keep making money from the crypto market. Like right now, I'll show you this update you will use to make at least a reasonable amount today. So if you're new to the channel, please like, subscribe and share this video. To those that might be interested in this type of content, man, don't hide updates. And if you're a returning viewer and haven't subscribed yet, kindly do. Bro, help me grow this channel, man. So let's dive right into the video. So for today's video, we'll be using two exchanges, and one of them is MEXC and the other is Gateio. Now remember I told you in my previous videos in this channel, you can go and check them out, that you have to have all the exchanges, possibly the major ones, right? Because that's how you stay profitable and ahead in this game. Because if I drop a video about a project and you don't have the exchanges, before you download the exchange, set it up, and all of that processes, the coin might have already corrected before you get to it, right? So let's dive into the project we'll be exploiting today, right? I'll show you how to make this dough today, bruh. So go to the search area if you're familiar with the interface, right? And search for CRTS. Now we are buying low on MEXC. This is MEXC. This agent I'm using right now is MEXC. So we're buying low on MEXC. Remember the criteria I gave you for each project, right? So open it up. Let's see if it meets those criteria, bro. So this is we are currently on the 1 day time frame. You can see the candlesticks are solid, right? Candlesticks are solid. Now you can see the volume, right? The volume on CRTS, that's the coin itself, is 404 million. That's reasonable enough. Then you can see the 24 hours volume on USDT so far is $44,000 in the last 24 hours, and this criteria is reasonable enough for this trade. But before we head over to the next exchange, right, take note of the current price, which is 0.0000956. So let's see how much we are going to buy or make from this, right? So if you are buying with at least a limited fund, let's just say $10, right, we get this amount of CTRS, bro. So let's just copy it out, right? Copy and head over to the next exchange. The next exchange is Gateio. So the project is CRTS. You remember, right? Or you forgot? So you can see the project here. So open it up as well, and let's just check the criteria whether it's still MEXC here as well. So you can see the volume, high, low. You can see the volume. It went as high as 0.0016. Well, you can see the current price right now. The 24 hours volume of CRTS is 116 million. Is higher than on MEXC. Then 24 hours volume on USDT is 46,000. It's higher on MEXC. MEXC was $44K, right? Now you can check the whether there's activities happening, right? You can just wait for a few minutes here and see whether the buyers are buying and the sellers are selling. That will also confirm our buyers in terms of how we proceed with this project, right? So you can see so far the buyers are going and the sales are going, even though not much, but it is still reasonable and your orders will be met, right? So let's head over to the sell area and sell this our project. So we bought for $10 and the amount we copied is this. So if you are selling, we are making 10% of our profit, and that's basically 11. That is basically $11. So our profit here will be $1. Now maybe if you put in withdrawal fee, it might be 15 cents, right? It might be 15 cents. So basically you made $1 with $10 in this trade. Now if you don't have much money, you can do this multiple times, right? You can do this multiple times before the price corrects, or if you have enough money, you can as well increase the price. For instance, if you are doing this with $100, we'll be making $10. So the $10 now, doing multiple times, 10 times, you're getting another $100. So you have doubled your capital in that sense, right? Now if you do this 10 times, you are still doubling your $10 capital in that sense. So if you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe and share to those that might be interested in them. the major thing is you subscribing as well, and keep locked in this channel because updates are coming back to back on a daily basis, right? Yeah, let's go.